Hey, how's it guys? Today we're going to be doing an LED swap of the turn signals. Switching out the old ones for the newer ones. We're going to be using the LASFIT Switchback lights. This goes from amber to white. Looks pretty crisp, pretty mean. Super easy, takes only 5 minutes. Model number that we're going to be looking for is the T37443. These are going to be the switchback lights. They also make just the straight amber ones, but the switchback I think look a lot better. Start with the right side first. Should be able to see down there. Just trying to get in. Kind of right with this guy right here. We'll spin it counterclockwise to pop it out. There she is. And we'll pop the new one in. There's different polarities, so pop it in, turn on the light, see if it works. And we'll fire it back up. Oh, not the right side. There she goes. Alright, now that we're set with the new LED, we're going to pop it back in, spin it clockwise to lock it in, and we're set. Jumping over to the right turn signal. To get to it, we have to take off this bad Johnny, the air intake. So we're just pushing on these little buttons. Push them in until they click, it's loosening up, and then you're taking off the air vent. Be careful as you're lifting it that you don't lift it too hard because it comes off loosely and flying all the giblets everywhere. Here we're going to point down inside, show you where the magic happens, and bulb is right there, not too hard. Expert demonstrator just tapped it. We're going to spin that one counterclockwise as well to remove it. Then really we're just going to rinse and repeat, swap out for the LED, put it back in, and then re-put everything we took apart back together. We're going to put back in the little knobbers. A little bit different way to install them, so we're kind of going to tap the edge and bring them back just above being flush, insert them, and push down the knob just until it's flush. If you push it all the way through, then you're going to be it's going to be loose and you'll be removing it again. So again, just pushing it, and then you're slightly tapping it to click it in, like so. It's actually really satisfying to click these in, you know, looking for something to do in a rainy day, you know, pop them in and out, big time stress relief. Just like that, boom, we're done. Let's see our work.